Most small businesses fail because of 5 marketing mistakes that are completely avoidable. If you want your business to succeed and grow, watch closely and take notes. This advice could save your company thousands of dollars. Welcome to Omega Business Channel, your guide to building successful businesses using smart strategies and AI tips. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now to never miss an important business lesson. Mistake number 1, not knowing your audience. Many businesses create products or services without really understanding who will buy them. For example, a small coffee shop opened in a busy office area but didn't research customer preferences. They offered expensive specialty drinks, but most customers wanted simple, affordable coffee. Within months, they struggled to survive. To avoid this, always ask, who are my customers? What do they need? What problems can I solve? You can even create a simple survey or ask questions on social media to understand your audience better. Mistake number 2, ignoring digital marketing. In today's world, social media, email campaigns, and online advertising are essential. One small clothing store used Instagram and a free AI scheduling tool to post daily content. And within a few weeks, they doubled their online orders. AI tools can help small businesses reach the right people efficiently, saving both time and money. If you ignore digital marketing, even a great product may remain unknown to potential customers. Mistake number 3, weak branding. Your brand is more than a logo. It is how customers remember you. A weak brand creates confusion, while a strong brand builds trust. For example, 2 local bakeries sell the same cakes. One uses consistent colors, a memorable logo, and a friendly tone online. The other uses different logos, fonts, and inconsistent colors. Which one would you remember? Strong branding makes people choose your business over competitors, even if your product is similar. Mistake number 4, poor social media strategy. Randomly posting content without planning will not grow your audience. One entrepreneur started posting business tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the same time. They used a simple content calendar to plan posts and responded to every comment. Within a few weeks, their follower count increased and engagement improved dramatically. Consistency, engagement, and planning are key to turning followers into loyal customers. Mistake number 5, not tracking results. How can you improve your marketing if you don't know what works? Tracking results helps you identify which strategies increase sales or engagement. Even small businesses can use free AI dashboards to monitor website visits, ad performance, and social media engagement. For example, one small business noticed that their Instagram posts with videos had double the engagement compared to images. They focused on video content and increased sales by 25% in just 2 months. Now that you know the 5 marketing mistakes that can kill small businesses, take action today. Avoid these mistakes, apply the tips shared, and your chances of success will grow significantly. Which mistake do you see most often in small businesses? Comment below and let's discuss. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe to Omega Business Channel to get daily tips on building a strong and successful business using smart strategies and AI tools.
Omega Business Idea.